Hi, to activate Siri on iPhone 16e, all you have to do is to go in phone settings first, and from here find tab which is named Apple Intelligence and Siri. Now we need to find this tab Siri requests, and from here choose section Talk to Siri and enable it with the help of selecting one of those two options. We can either say Siri and Hey Siri or just Hey Siri. So I prefer this first one. And now we need to enable it. So tap on this blue button, Enable Siri. And here you can share your audio recordings to improve Siri and dictation. Or you can select Not Now. And additionally, you can enable to press side button for Siri, which is located on the right side of your phone. And when you see that switcher is green, then you can just press this button to enable Siri, and you'll see this animation with circle, which is Siri. After that, you can customize it, so you can set language for your Siri. Then you can also pick its voice. We got some variations and voices. And you can customize it even more if you just take a look at those settings. And now we can activate it with the help of those trigger phrases or with the help of pressing side button. So let's do it and ask her to set a timer for 5 minutes, for example. Hey Siri, set a timer for 5 minutes. And as you can see, everything is done. So we can see our timer, we can go in clock, choose timer, and yep, it is on. So that's all for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.